ChatGPT's 42 indicator XRP analysis flags extreme $3.30 resistance test. ChatGPT, XRP. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. ChatGPT's 42 signal analysis flags XRP's extreme $3.30 resistance test as RSI hits 86.07 overbought amid $190 billion market cap breakthrough. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 17, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. ChatGPT's AI model processed 42 live indicators, revealing explosive momentum as XRP surges plus 7.19% to $3.2563, breaking the historic $190 billion market cap milestone while RSI hits extreme 86.07 overbought territory. The ProShares Ultra XRP ETF's debut and potential SEC appeal dismissal drive institutional positioning ahead of a key $3.30 psychological resistance test. An exceptional bullish structure emerges, with the price 33.2% above the 200-day EMA, $2.1746, while trading above all EMAs in the strongest configuration since the 2018 highs. The following analysis synthesizes ChatGPT's 42 real-time technical indicators, ETF developments, SEC resolution prospects, and real estate tokenization to assess XRP's 90-day trajectory amid historic market cap breakthrough and extreme momentum acceleration. Technical explosion. Extreme overbought warns of pullback risk. XRP's current price of $3.2563 reflects an exceptional plus 7.19% daily gain, demonstrating explosive breakout momentum toward 2018 all-time high levels. The massive $0.3113 intraday range represents 9.6% of the current price, indicating a convergence of institutional accumulation and retail FOMO during the historic rally acceleration. RSI at the extreme 86.07 level presents key warning indicators, as ChatGPT's XRP analysis shows readings above 80 typically precede major corrections. This positioning suggests unsustainable momentum, requiring a healthy pullback toward the $3 to $2.80 support level before a continuation toward higher targets. MACD indicators display exceptional bullish momentum, with a positive histogram at 0.1414, confirming the acceleration phase. However, extreme RSI levels suggest that profit-taking pressure is building. ChatGPT's XRP analysis indicates that the combination creates a binary scenario where XRP either breaks decisively above $3.30 or experiences a sharp correction for a technical reset. ETF shift. ProShares Ultra XRP debuts tomorrow. The ProShares Ultra XRP ETF, UXRP, debut represents a milestone, providing institutional investors with access to XRP exposure through 2x leverage capabilities. The ETF launch timing coincides with XRP's technical breakout, creating optimal conditions for sustained institutional inflows as traditional finance embraces cryptocurrency infrastructure investments. ETF speculation drives an exceptional volume surge to $12.47 billion daily, representing institutional positioning ahead of the official launch. SEC resolution catalyst. Appeal dismissal speculation intensifies. Speculation that the SEC may drop its appeal against Ripple creates a strong catalyst for continued appreciation. A closed-door meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern Time fuels institutional positioning, as regulatory clarity could remove the primary obstacle to widespread institutional adoption. A complete SEC resolution would validate XRP's regulatory compliance status, potentially triggering massive institutional FOMO as banks and financial institutions gain confidence in Treasury allocation. This development could trigger sustained appreciation toward $5 plus targets as institutional barriers are entirely dissolved. Historical context. Approaching 2018 all-time high territory. ChatGPT's XRP analysis shows XRP's 2025 performance demonstrates a strong recovery from the May lows of $1.80, with current levels approaching the 2018 all-time high of $3.84. The 81% recovery from cycle lows validates institutional confidence and regulatory resolution momentum that has been building throughout the year. Current price action represents only a 15% discount to historical highs, while maintaining extraordinary gains of 115,974% from the 2014 lows. The approach toward historical resistance creates psychological importance, as breaking above $3.84 would establish new all-time highs, potentially triggering massive institutional FOMO and accelerating retail participation toward double-digit targets. Support and resistance. EMA strength validates institutional positioning. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $2.9873, reinforced by psychological support at $3.0000 to $3.1000. The exceptional EMA positioning, with prices 20 to 33% above all major moving averages, confirms institutional accumulation success and extraordinary trend strength. Major support extends through the EMA cluster at $2.4095 to $2.6143, providing multiple safety nets during any correction periods. Key resistance begins at today's high around $3.2986, followed by psychological resistance at $3.3000 to $3.3500. Breaking above the zone, despite an extreme RSI, would indicate continued momentum toward major resistance at $3.8000 to $4.0000, representing previous cycle highs and institutional profit-taking levels. Market metrics. Historic market cap validates infrastructure status. XRP maintains a historic $198.76 billion market capitalization with an exceptional 24-hour trading volume of $15.24 billion. Representing institutional validation of payment infrastructure status. XRP's market dominance of 7.53% demonstrates its positioning among premier cryptocurrency assets. The $190 billion market cap breakthrough represents a psychological milestone validating XRP's evolution toward institutional treasury asset status. The circulating supply of 59.13 billion XRP represents 59% of the maximum 100 billion supply, providing controlled tokenomics that appeal to institutional treasury management. Social sentiment. Institutional FOMO drives community euphoria. Lunar Crush data reveals exceptional community engagement with alt-rank reaching 5, indicating top-tier social performance among all cryptocurrencies. The 82% positive sentiment with 22.54 million total engagements demonstrates XRP's ability to capture massive attention during breakthrough periods. A social dominance of 3.5% with 56,880 mentions and 9,820 creators validates sustained community interest in ETF developments and SEC resolution prospects. Recent social themes focus on $15 to $23 price targets and narratives of institutional adoption acceleration. 90-day